What if you came back from a 2-week vacation and your $2,000 laptop wouldn't turn on? Or worse, your smart TV, gaming console, and Wi-Fi router were all fried after a power surge while you were gone. Every year in the United States, thousands of Americans return home from long trips to dead batteries, swollen devices, corrupted hard drives, water damage, or even electrical fires caused by gadgets left plugged in. We spend thousands of dollars building our tech ecosystems: MacBooks, gaming PCs, smart thermostats, security cameras, tablets, external drives. But almost nobody talks about how to store these gadgets safely during long vacations. Today on Tech Vibes, we're breaking down exactly how to protect your devices when you're away for weeks or even months. We'll cover power risks, battery damage, humidity, data security, smart home vulnerabilities, and the simple steps that could save you thousands of dollars. Because when it comes to tech, what you don't see can absolutely hurt you. Let's dive in. Vacation season in America is bigger than ever. From summer road trips to Florida and California to winter ski trips in Colorado, millions of households leave their homes unattended for extended periods. At the same time, the average American home now has over 20 connected devices: laptops, tablets, smart speakers, security cameras, gaming consoles, smart locks, routers, modems, external hard drives. And that's before we even count kitchen gadgets and wearables. Our homes aren't just homes anymore. They're mini data centers. And here's the issue. Most people prepare their house for vacation by adjusting the thermostat and locking the doors. But they don't prepare their tech. Meanwhile, power grids in certain states experience fluctuations during storms and heat waves. Humidity levels in coastal states like Florida and Texas can spike dramatically. Wildfires in the West can cause sudden outages. Even short power interruptions can damage sensitive electronics. But here's where it gets serious. Lithium-ion batteries, the kind inside your laptop, phone, drone, power bank, degrade faster when left at 100% charge for extended periods. They can also swell if stored improperly, and if you leave devices plugged in 24/7 while you're away, you increase long-term battery stress. This isn't just about convenience, it's about device lifespan, fire risk, and data protection. So what does storing gadgets safely during long vacations actually mean? In simple terms, it means preparing your electronics so they remain stable, protected, and secure while you're gone. That includes managing power connections, battery charge levels, environmental conditions like humidity and temperature, and digital security risks. Think of it like putting your devices into hibernation mode. When you shut down a laptop properly, store it at the right battery percentage, and place it in a cool, dry environment, you significantly reduce battery wear. When you unplug non-essential electronics, you reduce the risk of surge damage. When you secure your network devices correctly, you minimize the chance of remote intrusion. And this is becoming more important now because smart homes are everywhere. Doorbell cameras, smart lights, Wi-Fi connected thermostats, many of these remain active while you're away. That means your home is still digitally exposed. So let's break this down deeper. First, power and surge protection. In many parts of the US, summer thunderstorms and winter storms can cause sudden power spikes. Even if you have surge protectors, they're not all created equal. Cheap power strips may not handle strong surges. If you're leaving for more than a week, the safest option for non-essential electronics is simple: unplug them completely. Gaming consoles, desktop PCs, extra monitors, printers, coffee machines, air fryers, if they don't need to be running, disconnect them. But here's the part nobody talks about: routers and modems. Some people unplug them, some keep them running for security cameras. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you rely on remote camera access or smart monitoring systems, you'll need internet. But if you're fully disconnecting and no one is home, shutting down your network can reduce hacking risks and eliminate surge exposure. And this changes everything when we talk about battery health. Lithium-ion batteries are healthiest when stored between roughly 40% and 60% charge. Not at 0%. Not at 100%. If you're leaving for several weeks, powering devices down and storing them at around half charge reduces long-term chemical stress inside the battery. That includes laptops, tablets, drones, power banks, Bluetooth headphones, even backup battery stations. Heat is another silent killer. In states like Arizona or Nevada, indoor temperatures can climb dramatically if air conditioning is turned off. High heat accelerates battery degradation and can warp internal components. Ideally, devices should be stored in a climate-controlled environment between 50°C and 77°C. Humidity is equally dangerous. In coastal regions or humid summer climates, moisture buildup can lead to corrosion inside ports and circuits. Using silica gel packs or storing devices in sealed containers can reduce moisture exposure. Now, let's talk about data, because physical damage isn't the only threat. If your laptop is stolen during a break-in while you're gone, is your data encrypted? If your external hard drive fails due to a surge, do you have cloud backups? Before any long vacation, backing up important files is critical. Cloud services, encrypted external drives, or both. The cost of backup is nothing compared to losing years of photos, work documents, or financial records. And here's where it gets more interesting. Smart devices, smart locks, cameras, thermostats, they're incredible tools while traveling. But outdated firmware or weak passwords can expose you to remote access risks. Updating device software before leaving and enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection. The average American household now depends heavily on connected technology. That means vacation prep isn't just about packing clothes, it's about managing a digital ecosystem. But let's balance this conversation. There are benefits to keeping certain devices running. Security systems can deter theft. Smart lighting timers can simulate occupancy. Remote monitoring can alert you to leaks or temperature issues. The downside? Continuous exposure to network vulnerabilities and power risks. Some people argue that unplugging everything is extreme. Others believe keeping systems live increases peace of mind. The truth sits in the middle. Keep essential security devices active. Shut down and unplug non-essential electronics. Store battery-powered devices at partial charge. Control temperature and humidity. Back up your data. Simple steps. Big difference. Looking ahead, smart homes are only becoming more connected. By 2030, experts predict the number of connected devices per U.S. household could double. That means more batteries, more firmware updates, more power consumption, more potential vulnerabilities. We may even see future smart homes automatically switch into vacation mode, optimizing battery storage levels, reducing phantom energy drain, and strengthening cybersecurity during long absences. But until then, it's up to us. If you're a student heading home for the summer, shut down your dorm devices properly and avoid leaving chargers plugged in. If you're a working professional traveling for business, back up your laptop and store it at safe battery levels. If you're a business owner, ensure office electronics are surge protected and data is redundantly backed up. And if you're an everyday consumer, take 30 minutes before your trip to protect the thousands of dollars in tech sitting inside your home. Because here's the reality. Technology is powerful. It makes our lives easier. It connects us, protects us, entertains us. But it's also fragile. And the smallest oversight, a power surge, a heat wave, an unpatched device, can turn a relaxing vacation into an expensive nightmare. The future isn't just about buying smarter gadgets. It's about managing them smarter. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you subscribe to Tech Vibes for more deep dives into the technology shaping our daily lives. Drop a comment below and tell us, do you unplug everything when you travel or keep your smart home running? Because in a connected world, even when you're away, your tech is still at home.